Hey all, Dylan here over at the Smart Real Estate Group and WRS Property Management. If you're not following, liking, subscribing, you're totally missing out. Please click that little button. We'd love to hear everything you have to say because real estate's personal and it's unique to everybody. That being said, let's get in today. I want to talk about renovations that don't add value, right? Other videos you're going to hear me talk a little bit about things that do add value. I'm a big fan of ROI. If I'm going to spend $1,000 to redo the floor in my office, I want to know that I'm going to get $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 back because of that. And it's very difficult in our industry with real estate, whether you're an investor or whether you're a homeowner, to know exactly what to do. But I know a few things that really don't help add value, and that kind of gets into some of them will be a little bit of marketing. But for example, fences. Fences are great. They add to marketability. Everybody that has a dog really wants a fence, but more often than not, people end up putting it in themselves because owners have figured out that it doesn't necessarily have an ROI. Other things, foundation work. God, that's expensive. We just spent $12,000 on a foundation on one of our investments. I don't get that back. Like, there is no percentage of ROI. In fact, it's arguable that it has to be done. And if it's not, people won't buy the property. So foundations are up there. Other things that really kind of start getting into that, in my opinion, are furnaces, mechanicals, roofs, things like that, right? Because a buyer expects you to have all those things working if they're going to buy the property. Like, I'm not buying a property without a massive discount if there's not a furnace or a quality roof, right? We do see that mechanicals that are updated within the last 3 to 5 years add to marketability. And buyers will be like, well, if I compare it to the other property down the road, that'll work. And yeah, I agree. But adding significant value, it does not do. So those are some of the kind of things that just don't add value. As always, bathrooms and kitchens are huge. Curb appeal is cheap. Get it done, and that'll make it better, whether you need appraisal as an investor or whether you're looking to put your home on the market with us. By the way, give us a call and we'll help you out with that.